Hello kids! Today we draw some 2D shapes and learn some colors. So first we draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. Hexagon. We are drawing hexagon shape, kids. Hexagon. Hexagon. Right triangle. It's a right triangle shape, kids. Right triangle. Circle. We are drawing circle shape, kids. Circle. Rectangle. It's a rectangle shape. Rectangle. Pie. It's a pie shape. Pie. Heart. It's a heart shape. Heart. Now learn some colors. Look at this color. Green color, pink color, sky blue color, purple color, yellow color, red color, yellow green color, orange color, forest green color. Salmon pink color. Salmon pink color. Natural oak color. Natural oak color. Deep violet color. Deep violet color. Forest green color. Forest green color. Cool grey color. Cool grey color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Hexagon, right triangle, circle, rectangle, pie, heart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.